Hi everyone, my name is Yashura Pipat, and today I'm going to be telling you about my physical education recycled game project. So this game, the name is Match the Tentacles. The age group is for 8 to 10 years old or 6 to 10. The number of players is 8 players in all, and the skill can go up or down depending on the number of participants, and it is also a game which can be enjoyed by a small or large group. The game concept is centered around a colorful octopus, which serves as a visual and focal point. The game encourages players to focus on color recognition and quick thinking. Match the Tentacles is a dynamic and educational game that promotes physical activity, cognitive skills, and social interaction while having fun. The colorful theme and simple rules make it appealing to young children while providing opportunities for learning and developing. So here are some materials. Like you can see, we have the toilet paper rolls, we have the glue, the paste, scotch tape, the paint, the paint brushes. We also had, in the starting of the video, we had the cardboard boxes, which were used to create the boxes for the balls, the colorful balls to place inside the tentacles. And here, as you can see, I am painting the toilet paper rolls, which is completely recyclable. Next, let's talk about the setup instructions. So for this game, we are going to be preparing the game area first. Arrange the toilet paper rolls, scatter the plastic balls, gather the player, set the timer, which will be 30 seconds depending. It can go up or down, and then you start the game. So to set up the game area, and then you put the game diagram. This is how to play. You arrange the toilet paper rolls around the octopus so it is visible and accessible. You put the plastic balls in a designated area nearby. You gather the number of players, explain the rules, and start the game. Once the timer finishes, the player will stop. And once it starts, the player will start matching plastic balls to the matching toilet paper rolls. The player with the most correct match wins. However, if there's a tie, there will be rounds to help them. So, the rules, they have to match as many plastic balls to the corresponding colored toilet paper rolls. If game is being played in teams, assign equal number of balls. So there will be equal number of balls. When the game starts, the player must pick up a plastic ball and start matching toilet paper roll. Each successful match counts as a point. So some safety tips are: you have to use age-appropriate materials. Ensure the toilet paper roll, the plastic balls are age-appropriate and safe for the children playing. Avoid small parts that could be a choking hazard for younger children. Use non-toxic materials. Set up game in a spacious area, free of obstacles to prevent trips and falls. Use soft plastic balls to minimize the risk of injury. Explain clearly the rules of the game to avoid confusion. And you must always have adult supervision when playing the game so there will be no injuries. So the reflection on how this activity promotes physical development and environmental awareness. So reflecting on this game, we can see it promotes both physical and environmental awareness in children. It requires players to pick up and manipulate small plastic balls and place them onto toilet papers, which enhances fine motor skills. Children practice gripping, transferring, and placing objects, which are essential skills for tasks like writing, gripping, and drawing. Players aim to match correctly. They develop hand-eye coordination, a skill crucial for physical activities and sports, as it helps children to learn to control their movements. The game also promotes overall physical activity, which is essential for health and development. Engaging in active play helps build strength, balance, and endurance. With a timer, it motivates children to move quickly. By utilizing recycled materials such as toilet paper rolls as a component of the game, Children are introduced to the concept of reusing materials. Thank you.